Hi, this is Trace from Johnny's Vintage Cycle. We're currently looking at the latest version of the Tombstone taillight, believed to be 49 to 54. The distance here dictates that. On the earlier ones, it was farther apart. We believe this would have been riveted, but somebody put screws in here. It's in nice shape. There's no visible cracks that we see. The screws are nice, and we are including original bezel screws. Comes with the socket, glass. These unscrew. These studs are pretty rough where the nut is located. You might want to find an alternative to that, but it does unscrew, so the threads are good. On the bezel, you can see that it says made in USA. It has the part number, so this is an original bezel. It's a little bent up from being over tightened. A lot of them did, a lot of them cracked, but this one's in nice shape. Comes with an original gasket and an original glass lens. Faintly says Harley Davidson up here. Has the guide R-H5 here and all of the patent numbers along the sides here. That is it. Thanks for looking at our stuff.